In this video, we're going to take a look at Insightly CRM. Is this the best CRM for small business? Well, we're going to take a look at some pros and cons for each one of them, and then we'll see if it's the best or not. So as you can see, I have here the list with the pros and cons. We're going to start with the pros. So as you can see, designed for small to mid-sized businesses, built-in project management tools, integrates with Google Workspace and Outlook. Easy to use and set up. The cons: limited customization in lower tier plans, interface can feel dated. Automation is basic compared to top CRMs, and reporting features could be more advanced. Insightly CRM is a solid choice for small businesses wanting simple CRM plus project tools, but may not suit companies needing deep automation or high-level analytics. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.